It's painting day!
That's a success. Gap Master Liam.
It's raining!
It looks white as white.
Good morning and welcome to our first proper breakfast in the van. I'm making a breakfast bowl with oats, with chia seeds and some fruits. Look at this view. Now that is what you want to see every single morning, isn't it? There's another big van build day. We're sort of reflecting on our last couple of days and I think we're both feeling quite emotional, would we say? I just feel like we've done a lot better than we ever expected from each other. It's one of those things like I always wanted to do this life. I think a lot of people online who do van life say it's so hard. Then like you sort of like fantasize about it and then you sort of romanticize it and you're like, oh no, it's gonna be so much fun. Having a dream and going out to do it is amazing, but also like it comes with like, it's emotional. There's certain bits that you may not like from it, and it's okay to talk about the bits that actually you don't like from it.
I feel like every time we're at a little crossroad and it gets difficult, in my head part of me is like, this is so self-inflicted. We could just not do this. You know, but no, we do it for this.
Liam's breakfast bowl.
So we've removed most of our stuff. We've put a bit of masking. We need to finish up doing this, doing that side bit, and then we're going to get to painting. Let's go.
Hello. We are going to prime the ceiling and the walls today. So we've got a 3-in-1 thing. So it's a primer, it's a sealant, and it's an undercoat. We're only going to do one layer of this on the ceiling and our lovely walls, and then we're going to be painting the rest of the ceiling. And maybe putting the walls, depending on time. It really all depends on time.
In case you're unsure, we've never done this before.
It's painting day!
We are making progress. That looks white on here.
What's that?
We ran out of paint or primer or, you know, the 3-in-1 thing, so we'll have to go back, but that's still, I would say, pretty good.
That's pretty damn good, yeah.
For the first coat, we now can let it dry. Aleja's just finishing this off, this last bit here. Honestly, we are knackered. Well, I'm knackered. I don't know how she does it. She's a trooper. She's cracking on. But it is hot. I would say, what do you reckon it is? 27?
Yeah, it must be.
27 degrees, sun is out. But we're making it happen. Time to pack away for lunch.
Lunchtime. I look crazy. I look crazy.
Right, lunch had. I was going to go to Bunnings to get some more primer, but the only way I could go, because obviously this is in this state, was to get an Uber, and that costs $45 each way. Anyway, we're now going to start painting, and we'll just get primer another day to finish this wall off.
When you don't know where you're running, come running back to me. I'll be waiting on you.
Oh god, it's It's like a reward. Oh.
Look at that. She's like Cruella de Vil with that white hair.
Is that bad? Is that bad?
No. Anyway, I was surprised at how quick that was. So I imagine, if everything goes to plan, we'll leave it. How long will it take to dry?
An hour and a half.
We'll have a think and then we'll give it another go. Because that is looking good. Don't know if you can see. Look at that, beautiful. Right, give me some chocolate. Nom 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 nom.
So we're waiting for this layer to dry and then we're going to do another layer. But in the meantime, I just thought I would show you guys what we're thinking of doing with the walls. We originally were going to buy some wood paneling and do wood panels going across there. But the wood that we found needed to be cut. It was just really expensive. So in our search to find a cheaper, more affordable option, we have found these sticker panels from Kmart here in Australia. So they're like fake, obviously, wood paneling. So our plan is to stick them on and then to paint them white.
Hope you all heard that. That was the YouTube, the Instagram explanation.
So let's do it.
Okay.
I think it's
Fine.
better to just stick the sticker on. That's really sticky. Ow, that's really sticky.
This is what we've got so far. What do we think?
I think it's so hard to tell, isn't it?
Should we put another one?
Yeah, I think let's do it. Why not?
I don't know what you want me to do in terms of cutting.
I think you just
Am I now cutting both sides?
or 3 sides.
So it's only the top that's going to remain.
What can I... That's beautiful. That's so much nicer, no? Right. Let's give it this a whirl again. See, I think we do need to cut that top. Do you get what I mean? Or no? Or
Yeah, let's cut it.
but a tiny bit? Okay, back to the
bench.
I think
Better?
I think so.
Yeah, I think that's pretty much. No.
Sounds very close to me.
No.
It's alright.
No.
What?
It's the police and it says Liam and Aleja wanted. I don't know what to do now. You were right.
What do you think though?
I think it's good. I really like it actually.
Do you?
I'm much more impressed than I thought I was.
Is it just because it's cheap?
No.
See, Liam loves cheap
No, I
things.
do love cheap. And so, don't get me wrong, would I have loved it anyway? Well, would I have liked it anyway? Yes, but I actually think...
Can I ask for a favour? And you're going to be like, no, this is so backwards. Can I just paint a little bit so I can see what it looks like? Because right now I am more impressed than I thought. But let me just paint a tiny bit. I'll see.
Yeah, because I think...
What do you think? I should just do maybe this corner.
Oh my lord, it's gorgeous.
Shut the fuck up. Why do
Wow.
you... I tried a little bit more. I think that actually looks quite good. Obviously, like I'm gonna like obviously clean it up, but I think that looks good. Oh guys, I'm actually loving my days right now. This is like literally the best thing in the whole entire world. If you're actually thinking about doing van life, please like actually do it because this is so much freaking fun.
That I'm always gonna love you. That there's nothing you could do to make me turn away from you.
I think that's looking good. Okay, right. So if you pour a little bit of paint
Are
into
we
there,
doing... Oh,
to the ceiling.
back to painting.
Come on. Sorry, it's just I needed to move
I'm
on.
filling gaps because I'm not interested to do any more.
That's not true. It's just you.
It's just gap master Liam. Gap filler master, I should say. Look at these gaps getting filled. I mean, have you seen anyone as good as this? I think I'm actually making more gaps.
Just trust. Right. Do you want to do something fun? Yeah.
Swap over. Oh, right. Do you know what? We'll just snap back to the final result. I'm tired of working. Let's just do some media magic. And that's better. Sort of. We didn't actually do that much because we've been talking to family.
It actually does in the camera. It looks sick.
So yeah, we've now painted these panels. We finished the ceiling, and we're going to finish it there. So we still need to do this wall. We need to get the primer, and then we'll put the same panels on. We need to do the panels here.
Guys, we just need to do so much. It just sounds like...
No, we did a huge chunk today.
Nah, today was insane. Today was huge.
Big day today.
Big day.
Really good. And we've done it before it's gotten dark. And we got to have a nice chat with our parents, which always puts a smile on our face. Yay. We'll be back for more painting. Ciao.
Ciao.
Good morning.
Wow, I mean, look at that wall. That wall will be sorted today, but look at that.
And stuff. So day 2 will be to finish this wall paneling. We've done the ceiling; it looks lovely, and then to finish this.
Looks nice on the camera.
Even half finished, it looks so much brighter and better when we're in bed. When the doors are closed, when we've got a few lights on, it's just literally night and day difference. Let's get to painting.
McDonald's. Love is a little bit every day.
First off, clean. Time lapse. Now time to clean this.
Okay, so the plan is to basically prime this wall and this wall up to this point. We're essentially going to just leave that. I know probably professionals will say do it, but we just don't really want to get into the electric bits too much. So essentially all of this will be painted primed white. And hey guys, sorry about that. We ran out of SD card storage, yeah, so I had to do a little switcheroo. But it's one of those moments like, look what we got up to. Look what I prepared earlier. And we are also filming for Insta as well. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave this to dry because that looks fantastically MPM. And then we are gonna get paneling on this wall.
Please come over a little bit more.
Yeah.
That is pretty much
When you don't know where you're running, come running back to me. I'll be.
It's raining!
Oh, this is not ideal. Let's get stuff in.
Right, come on. So this is done.
Yep. We don't need to do any painting today, right? Well, depending on how we do, but let's go.
Yeah.
Right, we're going to go get lunch and then we'll be back.
For now.
Slight hiccup. We can't close the back door because we need to go forward, but currently my seat is, I don't know if you can see all of that, lovely, preoccupied, so we're going to push. No. I'm moving it.
It's just like an inch. Bloody hell.
Right, and then we move it back.
Yeah.
Then we want to stop.
Oh!
Right.
Oh, how am I going to
Perfect.
Do you know what I would say? It's actually quite bad how easy it is to move that van.
At least we know, sometimes when we say, oh, is the handbrake on?
Yeah.
Like, it would already be rolling.
Hey.
Let's go.
Sorry for being grumpy.
It's okay. Why do you apologise? Always asking.
Because you were grumpy too!
She only ever apologises
No.
when she
No.
wants an apology.
No.
So she'll go, I'm so sorry for this, and then she'll look at me going,
No, that's not true.
and if I don't say anything, it's like,
But if
is there anything
I
you want
was
to apologise for?
I was grumpy, you were grumpy,
I know,
we were
but-
both
and do you know-
grumpy. Alright, fine. I'm sorry, I was grumpy.
Thank you.
Where's the big
Right,
pen?
now lunch.
See, I really wanted a hot dog and chips because it's easy and then we can get back to work, but no. Liam wants a full plate of meatballs. And then what the man wants, I guess he has to get. Let's get back to work. And I'll pack back now when we're done. Okay, the conditions are not ideal. It is still raining quite heavily, as the English would say, pissing it down. We can live in here, we can work in here, you know?
Yeah, miserable weather. We're going to have to slightly adjust our plans, but
Yes.
we can do that.
Right, should we get cracking?
Yeah.
Do you think builders, like if there is a builder watching our channel, do you think they're thinking,
There's
No.
a reason you ask professionals.
Yeah.
Or,
or like, oh, do you know what, they're quite smart. Like they don't have the skills, but they're quite smart. Do you think that's what they're thinking?
no, I think they're thinking, mate, this Liam guy, we need to get him a job. He is just...
In a world that's going crazy, it changes like the leaves. I know it's hard to do.
I would say
That looks
that's a
smashing.
success. Look at that. Almost perfect. Let's just make sure that's stuck on.
That looks smashing.
I'm really happy with that.
Look at that, looks smashing. I think let's whack
Woo!
out the paint. I think I can get this done. What's going on? I'm putting my painting t-shirt on because it's time to paint. Right.
And ta-da! Looking a bit better. God, clicking is so much easier. We should do it more often. What's next?
What's next? I need to pick this.
Da-da-da-da. Tell you what. This is a lot easier to just click, isn't it? Alright, here we go. Voila! Both walls now looking white. It
Yeah,
looks
this has
white as white. Don't worry about this, we're sorting this out. White as white. And then this, and then I didn't do paneling here, I just painted it white. Right, so we're gonna finish it there. And all painting pretty much done. We're not sure what to do with the back walls. If you have any suggestions, let us know. But in terms of the main painting, should be good. We've got splashback coming tomorrow, so we're gonna put paneling on the top bit, I think.
Yeah.
That bit, and then this bit's going to be all splashback. Obviously the desk is going to sit there, and we need to get some cabinets there. God, that's good pointing from me. And so stay tuned for that, and then we'll hit the road. Please, if you are enjoying this, please do like and subscribe. We're really trying to get this off the ground and see where it goes, so bye.